how do you strike a balance, Deep State, between not hiding anything and also ensuring that the moment you tell your partner the truth, they won't leave you? There are those who, when you tell them the truth, they'll appreciate that, like, wow, she's been honest with me, I think that's the kind of person I want. And there are those kind of people who, when you tell them the truth, they are like, no, I didn't want such kind of a woman or a man in my life. Like, for instance, if a woman tells you that she has a kid, and you didn't envisage marrying a woman with a kid, how do you strike a balance between not telling the truth or telling the truth and ensuring that you don't also jeopardize this relationship, so that your probable husband, your future husband, doesn't leave you?
Actually, what I advocate for is nothing other than the truth. Because you either spoil it from the onset, than waiting to get spoiled after 15 years.
Yeah.
So better tell your dark stories to this lady or to this man early enough, so that she can make a decision. Am I going to accommodate all this? It is too much. And actually, by telling her or him, you have also given that party time to digest and to absorb and to compare and to see the balance. Yes, you have this dark side. Yeah, pia atajihoji atasema kweli hata mimi niko na this dark side. She can also open up and tells you her darker side, and then from there you start to build up on the relationship, knowing that okay, that was in the past. Now we are here to build our future.